Here you will see bash shell scripting and commands for networking in Red Hat Linux. Very much important also in Python. So all these are running and it will take time. You see host name, details. So show IP address, it will now show IP addresses in this computer. So here is the IP address. Now this is IP version 4. IP version 4 will show IP address 4. Here is the IP address 4 and IP6. In my video, this is IP6. Short in IP information. So all these are necessary for cyber security, networking, also system networking. It means system engineering. It needs to do troubleshooting, connectivity, and cyber security. It is also important and very much important to know and understand and troubleshoot using this command and scripting. This is actually bash shell scripting running. This is default gateway. So command is IP route. Here is the command IP route, and it will now show default gateway. Find the default gateway. It's very much interesting. So ARP actually it search anything connected in the neighbor. How many devices are connected? Ping localhost. It means it is going to ping. Ping means it check the connectivity with another device. It is connected when it is loop back in same machine. So it will now show IP address of this machine. DNS configuration details. This is not beginner. Some are mixed. Dig also dig command. It is also beginner. If you have concept, you will understand. But here is a good volume of information, and this script is running. It is good to see. Even you do not understand, you can watch how actually networking works. Networking basically connect devices, and in between some protocol works like for switching VLAN and STP protocol, routing, OSPF, EIGRP, Cisco protocol, BGP, and these are main thing. Also security. This is 888. Very much interesting. All are gathering the output. So it's very nice. I have also I have uploaded in the desktop. You can see full screen in the another video. This is short in the video. I will add the link. Yes, this is a bit longer. So in this machine actually it has Red Hat Linux. Even it is desktop, I use Red Hat Linux. I also have Ubuntu laptop, separate, not virtual machine. And basically I use Red Hat. It is much better for me. I feel comfortable. Too many hoops. This is stressed out. Linux networking for beginner though, stressed out. So the people who want to work in IT, even from non-IT background, many people work. They learn something IT. There are many vendor certifications you can do from Red Hat, system engineering, security, virtualization, and architecture. So basically, it does not need any university degree. Also in programming, Oracle has programming for database, SQL database administration to architecture and Java programming language. These are very important, but if you want to work in programming side, you should know multiple languages, not one. Like C, you should know C programming language, and one object-oriented programming, at least Java or C++, but both are similar. If you know one, you can, if you know C, you can learn C, Java and C++ faster. Python is also good nowadays for some work in data like machine learning algorithm, but not much stable on backend. Like Java is everywhere in the backend. Uh, so this is how it works. It is working, still working. It has roughly 39 command. So do not trust. So active network connection, Ethernet information, detected interface. So this machine interface WLP0S20F3. So network devices statistics. Okay, I will create intermediate and advanced level Linux system admin video, and those are basic video now I have in the my channel for very beginner and very slow video that beginner can learn. See is IP network, IP binary example. See multicast addresses, different. So very much interesting. Final network summary. That's all. I think it is now ended. Yes, that's done. You have completed basic. Okay, thank you very much to watch this.